Question number 10. The equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. The line y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 6 is a tangent to the circle at the point P. Show that one possible value of a is 4 and find the other possible value of a. Equation of circle is given. This line is a tangent to the circle, or here in this part of the question, concept of discriminant line, because line is a tangent to this circle. This is the equation of the circle. X minus a whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. This line is a tangent to the circle. Y is equal to 1 over 2x plus c plus x plus 6. This line is a tangent to this circle. So first of all, we will merge these two equations, equation of circle and equation of line, and will get a quadratic equation. So putting the value of y here, this is the value of y, putting the value of y here, we get x minus a whole square plus y is 1 over 2x plus 6 minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. Now simplifying, we get x minus a whole square plus 1 over 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to 20. Now expanding this by using identity, we will expand this and this by using the identity. We get x square plus a square minus 2ax plus x square over 4 plus 9 plus 3x. This minus 20 will come in the left side, and then sign will be changed, is equal to 0. Now we have expanded these two by using identity. We have expanded these two and get this. Now we will write it in simple form. The standard form of quadratic equation: x square plus x square over 4, this becomes 5 over 4x square, 5 over 4x square. Collecting the x terms, we can write 3 minus 2a, x is common. Now constant term is a square and 9 minus 20, that is minus 11. So constant term a square minus 11. Now this is a standard quadratic equation in standard form. X term and constant. Now discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant will be 0 because line is a tangent to the circle. B square minus 4ac. This is discriminant. Discriminant will be 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. So this is B, this is A, and this is C. B square mean 3 minus 2A square minus 4 into A is 5 over 4. C is A square minus 11 is equal to 0. Now simplifying, cancelled. Now again we will use identity to expand this 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2A whole square, this will become 9 plus 4A square minus 12A minus 5A square plus 55 is equal to 0. Simplifying, minus A square minus 12A plus 64 is equal to 0. Now multiplying each side by negative 1 because we want to have a positive 1 here. स्क्वायर टर्म का कोफिशिएंट हम पॉजिटिव बनाना चाहते हैं, तो सो मल्टीप्लाइंग ईच साइड बाय -1, दिस विल बिकम a square plus 12a minus 64 is equal to 0. Now factorizing, a square plus 16a minus 4a minus 64 is equal to 0. Factorizing, a minus 4 or into a plus 16 is equal to 0. From here, either a minus 4 is equal to 0, a is equal to 4, or a plus 16 is equal to 0, a is equal to negative 16. So this is the value of a. Other value of a is negative 16. These are two values. One possible value of a we have shown, that is 4. Other possible value of a is minus 16. So these are two possible values of a. Next part of the question is, for a is equal to 4, find the equation of normal to the circle at P. For a is equal to 4, find the equation of normal to the circle at P. Let this is a circle with center. First we write the equation of the circle when a is equal to 4. In the circle equation, this is the equation of the circle. In place of a we will put 4 because it is given. First we write the equation of the circle, that is x minus 4 square, because value of a is 4 in this part, plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. Equation of normal to the circle at P. Since the line is a tangent to the circle, it is given that this line y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 6 is a tangent to the circle. We make a diagram. This is a circle. The center is 4, 3. These are the centers with opposite sign minus 4, minus 3. To show center, coordinates of the center of the circle are 4, 3. This point is point P. Line, this line is a tangent to the circle. This line is a tangent to this circle. This point is P. This point is point P. In the same way, since the line is tangent to the circle, equation of the line is given y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 6. This line is a tangent to this circle, so discriminant will be 0. First we will put this value of y here. This become, or simply first we can expand these two. This will become x square, expanding x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of y, which is 1 over 2x plus 6 in this term and in this term, we get x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square 1 over 2x plus 6 square plus 9 minus 6 into 1 over 2x plus 6 minus 20 is equal to 0. So now we will expand this, and simplifying we get x square and first we will simplify this 9 16 plus 9 25 minus 20, that is 5. So we can write that x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of y, x square plus y is 1 over 2x plus 6 square minus 8x minus 6 into y is 1 over 2x plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now expanding this, we get x square plus 1 over 4x square plus 36 minus plus 6x minus 8x minus 3x minus 36 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now further simplifying we get 5 over 4 x square. We are adding these two terms. We have added these square terms. Adding x terms we get minus 5x, constant terms, adding constant terms we get 5 is equal to 0. Multiplying each side by 5 to remove this denominator, that is 4. Multiplying each side by 4. Multiplying each side by 4, this equation will become 5x square minus 20x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now dividing each side by 5 because all the terms are multiple of 5, so we can write it as x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here, this is a complete square. We can factorize it x minus 2 into x minus 2, or simply we can say that this is the square of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Taking square root, we get x is equal to, taking square root, we get x is equal to 2. Now putting this value of x in this equation, we get the value of y. So putting this x is equal to 1 over 2 in this equation, we get y is equal to y is equal to 7. So these are the coordinates of point P. These are x2 and y7. These are the coordinates of this point P. So we can write here coordinates of P are 2, 7. Now actually we have to find the equation of the normal, equation of normal to the circle at P. So we can say that this is the normal. This line is normal. This blue line is a tangent, and this purple line that joins the center of the circle to this point P, this is the normal and this is the tangent. But we have to find the equation of this normal. We need a point, we have this point 2, 7, and we need the gradient of this normal, which is the negative reciprocal of 1 over 2, because the gradient of the tangent, this line is a tangent, the gradient of tangent is 1 over 2, but gradient of this normal will be the negative reciprocal of 1 over 2, that is negative 2. So gradient of normal, gradient of normal point is 2, 7. Gradient of normal is negative 2, so equation of normal will be, equation of normal will be y minus 7, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 minus 2 gradient and x minus 2. Now we will simplify this equation of normal. We get y is equal to negative 2x plus 11. This is the answer. This is the equation of normal. This is the normal, and this is the equation of normal. Now next part C of this question is, for A is equal to 4, find the equations of two tangents to the circle which are parallel to uh, the normal found in part B. This is the normal, or this is the equation of the normal. Now we have to find equation of two tangents which are parallel to the normal. So we make another diagram which will be helpful for to solve this question. This is a circle, center of the circle. This is the point P. This is the normal. This line is a tangent, and these are the two tangents at the circle. This is a tangent. This is another tangent. These two tangents are these tangents are parallel to this normal. So we have to find the equations of these two normals, these two tangents. So by using the property, if we join this point and this point of contact, this will pass through the center of the circle. This angle is of 90 degree, or this angle is also 90 degree. First, we have to find the equation of the tangents. These two tangents. This is tangent one. This is tangent one, and this is tangent two. We have to find the equations of these two tangents. To find the equation of the tangent, we need a point through which the tangent pass and the gradients. So gradients, since these two tangents are parallel to this normal, so gradient of this normal will be equal to the gradient of these two tangents. So now we need these 2 points to find the equation of the tangent. So to find these 2 points, first we will find the equation of this line. We have to find the equation of this line. Then we will solve this equation of line and the circle, since these 2 points are the point of intersection of this line and this circle. So we will solve the equation of this line and the circle to find these 2 points. So first of all, we will find the equation of this line. Let this line is L. Let this line is line L. We have to find the equation of this line. We need a point. Point is very clear. This is 4, 3 because this line passes through this point, and gradient will be equal uh, to the gradient of this tangent. Gradient of this tangent line is 1 over 2, so gradient of, because this line is also parallel to this, so gradient of this line L is 1 over 2. So we can find the equation of line L. Equation of line L is y, since this passes through 4, 3 point, So equation of line is y minus 3, gradient is 1 over 2 because this line L is parallel to the tangent line, 1 over 2 x minus 4. So simplifying it by cross multiplying, we get 2 by minus 6 is equal to x minus 4. We get 2y is equal to x plus 2. From here y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1. This is the equation of this line L. Now we will find the point of intersection. These are the 2 points of intersection of this line and the circle. So we will solve these two equations, circle equation and this line equation simultaneously. Equation of the circle is equation of circle, which is given x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. Now putting the value of y, here, we get x minus, और सिंपली या पहले इसको एक्सपेंड कर लेते हैं x square by using identity x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y minus 20 is equal to 0. Simplifying it, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 5 is equal to 0. Let this equation is equation number 1. Say this is equation number 1. This is the equation of the line, and this is the equation of circle. Now we will solve these two equations, equation 1 and 2. We will solve these two equations simultaneously. Now we will put this value of y here. We get solving equation number 1 and 2. We get x square plus 1 over 2 x plus 1 square minus 8x minus 6 into 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now further simplifying, now again we will expand this by using the identity. We get x square plus 1 over 4 x square plus 1 plus x minus 8x minus 3x minus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now for further simplifying, we get 5 over 4 x square minus 10x is equal to 0. Now we will use no space for solving this question. We can solve this on the blank page. This is question number 10, part C. Question 10, part C. We will solve it on the last page, that is additional page. Question 10, part C. The remaining is, now we will find two values of x from here. We will find two values of x from here. we can write it multiplying by 4, we get 5x square minus 40x is equal to 0. Taking 5x is common, we are using this next page. 5x is common, within bracket x minus 8 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 0, or x minus 8 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. So when x is equal to 0, since y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1, putting this value of x here, we get the value of y, that is 1. So the point is, we get the point is 0, 1. Point is 0, 1. In the same way, putting this value of x in the same equation of line, we have y is equal to 5. The other point is 8, 5. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. Other point is 8, 5. These are the 2 points of intersection of the line and the circle. We have found these 2 points. Now we can easily find the equation of these two tangents, tangent 1 and tangent 2. So equation of tangent 1 is equation of tangent 1 y minus y1 is 1, since this point the tangent this line passes through this point. We are finding the equation of the line, equation of the tangent which passes through 0, 1, y minus 1, gradient is minus 2 x minus 0. Simplifying, we get y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. This is the equation of tangent 1. Now we are using this point of intersection to find the equation of the tangent 2. Now we will find the equation of this tangent 2. For this is the point, that is 8, 5. कोऑर्डिनेट आर 8, 5 और ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं 0, 1. Zero, 1 and 8, 5. These are the coordinates of these 2 points, 0, 1 and 8, 5. So equation of tangent 2 is equation of tangent 2 will be again using this point 8, 5, and the gradient is minus 2. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 8. Simplifying, y is equal to 5 minus 2x plus 16. So we get y is equal to minus 2x plus 21. This is the equation of tangent 2. This is the equation of tangent 1. This is the equation of tangent 2.